Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer the question what you should do if your MOVA P50 Ultra stops during cleaning. So let's check the Gemini for the answer. The first one, check for the obstructions. The most likely reason is an obstruction. Inspect under the vacuum for anything tangled in the wheels or the brushes. The low battery, full dustbin, stuck brush. Check your brush under your robot. If you're curious how to clean it, how to remove the main brush, you can find other video on our channel. The sensor issues, the software glitch, the mapping issues, and basically that's it. If you're curious how to, for example, update your robot or start the fast mapping, remove the map and start it once again, check our channel, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.